in research was found that reservation has helped to reduce poverty and inequality. Among SCs and STs, the study shows that the poverty rate among SCs and STs has declined from 51.32% in 1978 and 1979 to 35 to 97% in 1993 to 1994, while the national poverty rate has declined from 48 to 30% to 37 to 40% over the same period. So I want to know where they have made where development has stopped.
Barrier among the people, and this creates a discrimination among the normal people. And according to your point that in NEET exam average you will take of 3% means 2% are of that ST and SC. So only 1% who is left is of that upper caste general. So from that we can find that if the qualifying percentage of ST and SC is 65 or 70%, they have to get more 20 or 30%, like 85% or 90%. So it means this creates a means the student who don't get means qualified, that they become depressed because they may think that why they can qualify with this means less percentage and we cannot qualify with this high.
Reservation that which is important for the marginalized communities has been given in the voice in the government and the societies. It helps to increase the representation in the positions of the power and the authority. And you have not mentioned any about the specific data that what proportion they have been increased.
Always says in our country there is always we says about equality and we should not do discrimination, but a huge discrimination is there in this education system that we are dividing this. We want that that caste system should not be there and we should not discriminate people. But this reservation system is creating a huge discrimination. Like we the people only we are dividing each other. So we are seeing that SC/ST are always from backward, so they need more support. Why we should give them more support? Nah, we all are equal. As we know that we all are equal, then everybody should equally treated.
Meritocracy that you mentioned is important, but without equality it will have no importance. Due to reservation system only, the gap between the upper caste and the lower caste has been conceived. It is confined, and as already that you are telling about the equality. Do you think that our country was facing equality from centuries? We are suffering from discrimination from the ages. Like as we can say from the history, we can see our country was not treated as equal. Still also, according to a survey of NSSO, in the 79th round of the survey, most people feel that still they discriminate people. So, if reservation system is not there anymore, how can we guarantee that there will be still equality? As we can also see another data, like the unemployment rate in 2004 and 5, the SCs and STs were more in number compared to general. But after the implementation of reservation system, it has been increased. Like the unemployment rate were decreased in SCs and STs. And another, I would like to highlight the point, like our President of India, Draupadi Murmu, she is also belongs from the ST. So if we don't have this reservation system, she wouldn't be a part of this parliament, and we cannot show how our country wants the discriminated people to be over in our country, how we want to represent them. So we feel that equality is not a process. Equality can be achieved by many ways, but reservation system should still be there. Some reforms can be done, but reservation system on caste, as I feel that it is important.
About the caste discrimination. And you also highlighted the point that the President of India is also from ST caste. She has worked hard. She is not ST. That's why she has the facilities that have her to be the president. She worked hard, and that's why she is the president of our India. So at the last, I would like to highlight one point that we know we don't need the reservation system in our country because it was a time when it was helpful, but now our country is developing, so we don't need the system.
For the SCs and STs, there is, for example, we can take the example of JEE and NEET, this entrance exam. In JEE and NEET, JEE, in this, the number of students that qualified were 15,180, and SCs were 7,984, and STs were 3,058. This shows that, like, SCs are coming fraud. Like what happened in the earlier days, like SCs were not given much opportunities, but due to this reservation in education policies, these people are coming up front, like they are getting opportunities now. Like for example, you can take of the NEET. Like in NEET, like 8,81,402 people were elected as from general. But due to SCs, means due to reservation, this SCs number has increased and it has come into like 28,887. But in earlier times it was not even around 10,000 also. Then same the case SCs also. It was not even in about 5,000 also. But nowadays these SCs are getting chance in various colleges like AIMS and various medical colleges. So through this reservation system, they got many opportunities, and I think reservation is a good thing for the SCs and STs.
Think that a doctor to pass this NEET examination from this reservation has left a surgical instrument in the patient's body which creates a internal organ infection and the patient dies due to this. So if this kind of means unpractical and unskillful persons will get this job using this